Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. I also hope that you have read and studied the last day's portion. Last day we have studied about parts of plant, that is root system and shoot system. What is root system? The part of the plant which grows below the soil is called root system, and the part of the plant which grows above the soil is called shoot system. The shoot consists of stem, leaf, flower, fruit and branches. Then we have studied about taproot and fibrous root. What is taproot? Taproot is a large and thick root that grows straight down from the plant deep into the soil in order to collect water and minerals. Small roots grow from it. Then we studied about fibrous root. Fibrous root is a bunch of small roots that grow outward from the plant. Then we have studied about the functions of roots. What are the functions? First one, root keeps the plant fixed to the soil. Second one, root absorbs water and nutrients from the soil for the plant to grow. And third one, some roots store food in it. Today we will study about stem. Stem is the main part of the shoot system and grows above the ground. The other basic parts of a plant, namely leaves, flowers and fruits, grow on the stem. So students, stem is the main part of the shoot system. It grows above the ground. All the parts of a plant except root grow on stem. It means leaves, fruits and flowers grow on stem. Stems can be soft or hard, weak or strong. Trees such as mango and neem have thick, hard and strong stem known as trunk. Shrubs are short, woody plants with several stems growing near the ground. Rose and bougainvillea are shrubs. Stems are of different types. They can be soft, hard, weak and strong. Trees have thick, hard and strong stem. It is called trunk. So what is a trunk? Trunk is thick, hard and strong stem. Thick, hard and strong stem. It is called trunk. Look at this picture. This is the trunk of the tree. Now we will study about the stem of shrubs. Do you know what are shrubs? Shrubs are short, woody plants. Short, woody plants, that is called shrubs. Plants like rose, hibiscus and bougainvillea are examples of shrub. They have several stems growing near the ground. Herbs are the plants with soft and tender stems. They are generally shorter than shrubs. Coriander and mint are the examples of herbs. Climbers are plants with weak stems that need some support to grow upright. For example, money plant and grapevine. Pumpkin and watermelon plants have very weak and soft stems. These plants creep along the ground as they grow and are called creepers. So now we will study about soft and tender stems. Herbs have short and tender stems. Herbs have soft and tender stems. Herbs are plants that are smaller than shrubs. Their stem is soft. Some examples of herbs are coriander and mint. Now we will study about the stem of climbers and creepers. So what are climbers and creepers? Climbers are plants that need support to grow upright. Their stems are weak. Some examples are money plant and grapevine. Creepers are plants that grow and spread on the ground. They have very weak and soft stem. Creepers have very weak and soft stems. Some examples are pumpkin and watermelon. Pumpkin and watermelon are examples of creepers. So once again we will look at the types of stems. First one is thick, hard and strong stems. What it is called? Yes, trunk. Trees have trunk. Examples are mango, knee. Second one is of shrubs. They are short, woody plants with several stems. Examples are rose, bougainvillea. Third one is soft and tender stems. Third one, soft and tender stems. It is found in herbs. It found in herbs such as coriander and mint. Fourth type is weak stem. It is found in climbers. They need support to grow upright. Examples are money plant and grapevine. Fifth type of stem is very weak and soft stem. Creepers have this type of stem. Some examples are pumpkin and watermelon. Now we will study the functions of stems. Important functions of the stem are: it provides support for the plant and keeps it upright. It allows the leaves to reach sunlight that they need to produce food. It carries food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. It carries water and nutrients absorbed by the roots to the leaves and other parts of the plant. Stems of some plants store food and are eaten as vegetables. Potato, ginger and sugarcane are the examples of such type of stems. So what are the functions of the stem? The first one is to provide support for the plant. The stem keeps the plant upright by carrying branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. So the first function of the stem is to provide support for the plant to keep it upright. Second function is that the stem allows the leaves to reach sunlight. Leaves need sunlight to produce food for the plant. So the stem helps the leaves to reach sunlight. Third function is that stems carry food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. We know that leaves prepare food for the plant. The stem carries this food to all parts of the plant. Fourth function of the stem is to carry water and nutrients absorbed by the roots to the leaves and other parts of the plant. We know that roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Stem carries these water and minerals to the leaves and other parts of the plant. This is the fourth function of the stem. Apart from these functions, stem of some plants store food. We eat these stems as vegetables. Examples of such type of stems are potato, ginger and sugarcane. Now look at this picture. This picture shows the movement of minerals and water in plants. The root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. The stem carries it up from the root. The stem then transfers these water and minerals to the leaves. The leaves prepare food for the plant. Then the stem carries this prepared food up and down. So this is the movement of water and minerals in plants. Now let's do an experiment. A. To show that the stem conducts water to different parts of the plant. This experiment is to show that stem carries water to different parts of the plant. Materials required: a long stemmed white flower, a tumbler, water, ink or any other color. For conducting this test, we need a long stemmed white flower, a tumbler, water, ink or any other color. Then procedure: take a long stemmed white flower, dip it in a tumbler containing colored water. Observe it after a few hours. What happens to the color of the flower? So we will mix the ink or any other color to the water. Then we take the long stemmed white flower and dip it in the tumbler or glass. What did we do? We put the flower in the tumbler. Now observe the flower after some hours. Observations: the flower changes its color. Why do you think this happened? The stem conducted the colored water to the flower. So the color of the flower changed. How? It is because the stem carried the colored water from the tumbler to the flower. Thus the flower's color changed. So we can say that stem carries water to different parts of a plant. A video of this experiment is available in the NLP app along with this session's video. I request all of you to watch it and understand this experiment. So students, this much is enough for today. I hope today's portion is clear to you all. Now I am giving you a homework. All of you take page number 67. You have to do test your understanding. This is your homework. We will discuss the answers in the next session. So children, all of you should read and study today's portion. We will meet in the next session. Till then, bye. Take care.